It's the Gijoe June giveaway! It's the Gijoe June giveaway!
Hey, good morning, GI Customs here. This is a great announcement. I've got my first big contest going on my site right now. We're starting Gijoe June a little early. I know it's not June yet, but I wanted to get it started. Memorial Day weekend, start out with a bang, and really be able to give you guys now and one whole month all the way up to Joe Fest. So between now and then, the big giveaway and contest, there's going to be weekly prizes, there's going to be a grand prize, and all you have to do is just go to the site and order some stuff. Doesn't matter what you order, as long as it's not apparel, anything else counts, and every $20 gets you one entry. Now every week there will also be special items. This week, the laser battle station, aka the Law, you get 10 extra entries on that, and any decals that you order gets you 2 extra entries, which means I believe any decal will be worth 3 entries this week. So you can build up some great entries right off the gate. Now the good thing is, any entry you get will enter you for everything all along the way.
What?
So entry for the first week prize, the second week, third week, fourth week, plus the grand prize, which the grand prize is a $1,000 shopping spree on gicustoms.com. So build up that army you always wanted, order a bunch of bunker accessories and build a big base, order that helicopter you've been waiting on, anything like that. That's going to be the grand prize. I'm really excited. It's the biggest prize I've given away to date. The drawing for that will be after Joe Fest, so this will go up until Joe Fest. Won't get any entries live at Joe Fest because there'll be other things going on there. But then the drawing will be right after Joe Fest. Other ways to get entries are the live stream coming up this Tuesday, which is just going to be me. I have no guests this week, so it's going to be an Ask Me Anything live stream. Show up with questions. I'll do my best to answer everything I can, whether it's about how I got started, if you haven't seen any of those live streams already, what's going on next. It'll be kind of behind the customs. There won't be specific members only afterwards, but I'll do my best to kind of share with everybody and let you guys know what's going on and just have some fun hanging out. That's coming up this Tuesday. But if you're there for that, I will be handing out some different entries and stuff through that, so you can get entries at no cost just for showing up to the live stream.
Yep.
There'll be different ways between now and then to get entries, so pay attention to YouTube, pay attention to social media. I'm really excited for this. I think you guys are going to have a great time. Let me know what you think, and I also have a couple breakpoints of the website, or on the website. So if you spend $500, not only do you get all your entries for what you spent, but you get an extra 25. So that means you get double entries once you hit 500. If you get to, and I know not everyone will, if you get to $1,000 spent, not only do you get all the entries, but then you get 100 bonus entries on top of that. So it really is, the more you spend, the more entries you get. And you don't have to spend it all at once. There should be at the bottom of every page, should be at the bottom. It'll show you how close you are with what you have in the cart. It'll show you how many points you have. And I believe if you log in to the site, if you've got an account on there, you can see how many total entries you have for the month. I'm really excited for this. So without further ado, get out there and get some stuff that you've been waiting on, and stay tuned for all the weekly prizes as well. I'll be announcing those one at a time. But like I said, if you win one of those, as long as that wasn't your only entry, you can still win the main prize. You just can't win multiple weekly entries along the way. But anyone that enters from now until all the way until the day of, you're in for the grand prize. And then on top of that, if you enter between now and then, you'll be in for all the weekly prizes as well. So get out there, have fun, have a great Memorial Day weekend.
Hey there, world, take a seat in the show. It's GI Customs where the cool kids go. We got action figures and a dash of flair, custom paint jobs that'll make you stare. Toys on the table, colors in the air. 3D dreams printed with